Hi. So I'm so proud of myself for completing this website because I'm not a technology savvy person at all. But we are going to go around on my website about enhancing the primarily white institution experiences of Black girl, especially here at LSU, or specifically here at LSU. So being a Black girl at a PWI is very hard, and this website will help you navigate your education and your Blackness. So this PowerPoint right here is going to be what me, Terry, and Cece did. We went to Allen Hall and we captured pictures of the mural that people are trying to get taken down. And then this thematic group of slides is going to be photos of my personal experience as a Black girl at LSU. And then under this biography tab is going to be a biography of myself, and it's going to tell you just a little bit about myself. And under here is going to be resources that I utilized as I was, trying to cultivate a thing to help make it easier to find those links to navigate LSU as a Black girl. And then here are going to be some of the websites that I continuously use. And right here is going to be my digital storyboard. And then this is going to be the mobile app that I got myself very familiar with. And when I got very familiar with it, I taught it to the classroom. And then under here, another one of my tech projects is the PLN and PLNE. This right here, this link is going to have both my PLN and my PLNE. And then this is going to be one of my assignments and my chart. I'm not sure why that chart's not accessible, but it should be accessible to anybody with a link. And then under here is going to be my website evaluation, and I'm not sure why this isn't loading. I'm not sure why my computer's not loading. But then over here we are going to have my evaluation, my website evaluation, and then under this website evaluation there's also going to be my Apple Teacher Certificate, which is also in a Google document because my image was not supported. And then right over here I'm going to go ahead and make sure to change that, or change the title of that. But here's going to be my digital story. And yeah, bye.